We had to flip this in order to take the bottom, which is stuck in here. You can't take it out. You gotta actually unscrew it here, right? So you got to release the screws, and this whole thing is going to be able to come off, but it's a safety thing. And while you have it sideways, you can set up the wheels too. I wanted to show you, introduce you to my toolbox right now. If you guys can see right now, this is detachable, right? So right now you can move it to a left or right. I made some room here because I always like to put some stuff in here, but this is all metal base. They do have a locks, all right? They have them long sticks. They're like long metal pieces that go in here, but you lock them in with your own personal lock. So if you're going to take this to a job site or to yourself, or you want to lock up your property, this is one way to do it. They give you a longer one and a shorter one. Now, in the bottom, if you guys can see, there's two tiers on this one. And of course, they give you something to hang in here. So you can, I put my rulers in here. That's what I like to do. You have your locks on two sides, right? So I set them up on the end so I can lock them on the outside. Easy to roll out of here in an emergency or anywhere you want to take. It's not that heavy to move around, but you are going to have to stand it up wherever you go. Now you have the first casing in here. I haven't decided what to put in here yet because this is going to be like the go-to area. This and the top, right? So on here, I just loaded up with all my tools, if you guys can see that. So tools are loaded up. There's another tier, and then another tier. All right, now be careful because it's a little heavy when you all go to the front, so maybe start with one at a time. All right, and then of course I got my top. This is where the stuff I use the most. All right, and then because it's metal, it's magnetic. Now they do have these right here, so you could grab onto the actual case in case you have to just take this with you on the road if you don't want to take the whole thing. It has a little rack that I always keep my gloves in here. It has some holes so you can put your screwdrivers, your flatheads, your Phillips, pretty much anything you want. This thing stands about almost 3.5 feet, I would say. You know, it's not the longest, the biggest, but this has some rubber in here, like mesh right here, so you won't scratch proof the actual metal piece. Like I said, this is a toolbox by itself. You can pick it up and go. But right now I have it super loaded, so it's going to be heavy. Security features are included. Wheels were simple, just snap them in there. All the stuff was in there. Now when you get it in the box, this thing it's inside. You have to unscrew it from the bottom in order to take it out. But once you get it going, look at this. Ready to go around my tools anywhere. Take them with you. Easy to roll out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.